Like, bro, get the fuck up, bro.
Really, nigga?
I came up with them houses abandoned. I couldn't go home empty-handed. Nah, and I'm trapping. I'm catching plays like Manny.
Good morning, good afternoon. Welcome back to another video. We're going snowboarding today. I'm with my boy Danny right here.
Yeah.
He on the driving tip right now. But we finna head to Chick-fil-A to get some breakfast for the morning. Then we should get to our ski area.
What that shit was $101?
Yeah, 101. 401. Bro, every time I get Chick-fil-A, I ain't even say my name this time. Damn, this focus messed up. Then he said it, and look what they put. A Annie. Like he put the whole. Put the whole
little square box ass transit car. Look in my head, cat.
Goddamn Chick-fil-A, bro. Always messing up my name.
Hermanos, man.
Like, well, how's it so hard to put Manny? That's why I start spelling it out for some people. I spelled it out one time and they still put M-A-N-I.
They said, who's putting in Manny?
Yeah, bro.
Nah, I'm gonna change that.
That's why she looked crazy. I was just like, what'd you order? All these people here.
Excuse me, sir.
Excuse me, sir. How are you doing?
Can I see your receipt?
What's that in your pocket?
But people always come here and cause trouble.
I always causing all the trouble and stuff like that. Being all on the news. I need to get a damn energy drink, so that's why I'm gonna get a damn energy drink. How you doing, sir?
I'm good. How you doing?
Good. Alright, thank you. Have a good one. That ain't gonna work. Let me put my wallet up under it. Give it a little stand. Give y'all a little stand right there. Perfect. That's what we like to see. Alright, so let me go ahead and drink my Red Bull. I don't even remember how far we are from it, but I think we're in North Carolina right now. I ain't got no nails on my fingers. I can barely open this. Alright, bet. I got the same like kind of snowboard outfit as last video too. I got my same black jacket, same snowboard overalls. I got the, not this beanie, but I got the Lost Boy beanie from London, and then I brought my CP company ski mask. So that'll be new for the snowboarding as of now. I'm gonna get some food actually, bro. From the McDonald's.
I don't even fuck McDonald's, bro.
So not the McDonald's.
Why you want McDonald's, bro?
Nah, I'm still full.
I thought I wanted some food in here, but everything here looking good. Is Arby's good, bro? Nah, f that.
I haven't had Arby's in years, bro.
I'm going to McDonald's, bro.
I don't think it's that bad though. We just arrived to the place, man. Yeah. The North Face hard.
You already know where I'm at. You from y'all?
Wait, what, the North Face?
No.
Oh, the Beauty Spot?
The beanies.
Beauty Spot?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Man,
Well,
what?
that's me.
Good ass places
Facts,
to get the beanies, man. So got the pants, overalls, however you want to put it, however you want to call it. Oh man, make sure this is straight. Y'all gotta see when I put everything on it. It's gonna look fire. It's gonna be all black today. So this is CP company, balaclava ski, whatever the hell. You went with the gray beanie. You got the same pants on. Yeah, I also got that hat I was talking about. Put this on after. Alright, bet. We live. Like it is steep, bro.
Yeah, you don't want to do that there.
Hold on, I need to go. I'm gonna wait for a minute.
Guys, why don't you get up on that hill? Just sit on that.
I went too bad. Oh!
Just trying to get you right, man.
My fault, gang.
Okay, that was enough.
Shit.
I'll see you down there.
Alright, bet. Damn, I done got in a pickle. I'm gonna have to go down this shit and come back up. You gotta stop on this sort of Spider-Man stance.
Oh, call your brother. If you ain't heard, I'm a bad motherfucker. Bitch, I got slicks like some motherfucking butter. I bet you I'm a bust like a motherfucking shuttle. All of my diamonds are dancing like Usher. You ain't getting money, broke. Shut up. Strap on my motherfucking butt.
Really, nigga?
If you ain't heard, I'm a bad motherfucker. Bitch, I got slicks like some motherfucking butter. I bet you I'm a bust like a motherfucking shuttle. Walking this bitch and I'm dabbing on Usher. All of my diamonds are dancing like Usher. You ain't getting money, broke, bitch, nigga, shut up. Strap on my motherfucking butt. Oh, call your brother.
Hero? No, that was the last. You know, just moving and grooving. West. Oh, that bit fine.
That shit hard, bro. Imagine how my shit was wolf in the back.
That's a big ass drop. Yeah, the wolf would be fine, bro. That's a drop for real.
Nah, that's more hard.
Yeah, that's a drop for real, bro. Fuck all that shit. Oh. God damn. It's turning hard as shit. Damn. GoPro broke. Sorry, Denny. Oh, God. Man. Flip, bro.
Damn, where'd the stick go?
It's in my pocket. I hit the ground so hard, bro.
The other thing broke off, huh?
Yeah.
This fair.
The case ain't break, just the...
It's the stick. It's cool, bro.
I appreciate it.
Damn.
Oh, forgot about the YouTube for a little bit. But we going up the slopes right now.
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
good. Oh, we going up the highest one, I think. We already... Ooh.
I'm already tired of these folks.
Oh, God.
I already see a little boy cry, man.
Man,
Get like this.
held up the whole lift, bro. Whole lift for a whole hour. We got a 6-hour pass. I'm probably close as hell, but I'm trying not to drive home. We got a 6-hour pass, and he held up a whole hour just on the lift, bro.
Man, crying like a.
And then he talking about his ankle hurt. He got up and walked.
This
on his
man,
ankle twice.
show them how he was sitting down crying, bro. Hey, he had his hands over his, yeah. Like, bro, get the fuck up, bro. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh
Yeah.
yeah. It's morphin' time. It looks like. Go down slow in this part. camera.
I got good footage. I ain't gonna.
Bro, that first hill I went down, I need to do that again, but with the camera on me. My nose running, just sniffling the whole goddamn video. I'm about to cut left and cut right. Oh shit, I was stupider than I thought. Cut left, hard, go right, boom, 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 boom. Across the middle. Cut hard. No, cut hard. Cut across the middle. I got cut hard. I can't even see Denny from the Where did you at? I think you at the bottom already. Alright, we just finished up snowboarding. It's dark as hell outside. Hope y'all with the clips and stuff. I was recording on my phone and I done failed so many times. I had one hard fall where I broke the GoPro. Damn. GoPro broke handle, as y'all seen. And then one, I had got snow in the charger port of my phone. I thought it was over with, cause as soon as I pulled it out, lifted it up and looked at the charger port, I'm like, damn, bro, my phone started going slow. We finna go to our traditional Zaxby spot out here. Then he warmed up the whip. Let me take off all this shit. Hold on. So by the time y'all see this video, y'all gonna like this picture. Then he over got his food already. I'm waiting on mine. Doing parlays too at the same time. Yeah, I think we eating. That's tough. That's tough. Yeah, still waiting for my food, but I'm finna get it. Shit, I pressed the wrong button. We got things. Too good. See, let me tell y'all. You get wings and things. You go traditional, and then you toss the wings in the traditional, or you toss the traditional wings, but then you toss the fingers. You get double sauced up on a Friday night.
With a song. Pull a black tent, everything extravagant. Ain't nothing too common, uncommon sense. And the drip is Canadian, wanna buy sense. And I'm throwing the bait in the audience. And I'm flying to space with the Guardians. And my mental is strong on the mind sense. And I'm gonna keep it pushing through the nonsense. And I'm gonna double check it when I'm spinning beans. And I'm bringing them in, I'm with all teens.